much assume I had one new unit of the asset today, and I wanted to know how much I was going to maintain that asset for tomorrow. Well, this is the value of what the asset will be worth tomorrow, and this is what I got to pay to keep it, to maintain it. So that would be the net value of the asset. The way to think about it is we've kind of put maintenance in here. We put maintenance in I. Maintenance is just another way that I can produce more output for tomorrow. Right? It's like I could build more new ones or I can maintain my old ones. They're both forms of investment. So we would add maintenance into investment the way we've done it here. Okay, so this model can handle investment. The problem comes up as a measurement issue. Well, then you got to measure depreciation and you got to measure investment. Right? The problem is a lot of maintenance isn't measured. I count how many widgets are being produced, but I don't necessarily count how many widgets are being maintained. Right? It's really a measurement issue. Right? That would be the problem. So you can allow for maintenance. Theoretically, it's very easy. Conceptually or empirically, it's much more difficult because, often we don't collect data. Now, for something like housing, we do. We actually can measure how much people are investing in their houses. That is, remodeling and things like that is a very important part of the housing market. And when we had a housing boom, right? Remember, we went through a housing boom, right? People remember that. When we went through a housing boom, we not only built more new houses, we did a lot of upgrading of old houses at the same time. So it wasn't all about just building more new houses. It was about investing in existing housing too. So you would want to count that as part of the boom. Part of what we did was upgrade the stock we already had, not just build some new ones.